COVID-19 cases are on the rise again, but health officials urge calm, not panic. India has crossed the 1,000 active case mark this week, with Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra leading the numbers. The Union Health Ministry has confirmed the presence of two new variants, but for now, both remain under monitoring, not concern. Here's more. After weeks of quiet, the COVID-19 curve in India is showing signs of a mild uptick. As of Monday, May 26th, the country has reported 1,009 active cases, nearly a fourfold jump from just 257 cases a week ago. Kerala is the worst hit with 430 active cases, 335 of them added in the past week alone. Maharashtra follows with 209 cases, and Tamil Nadu and Delhi are also witnessing a gradual rise. Officials attribute the spike in part to the emergence of two COVID variants, both recently detected in India. Tamil Nadu has reported one case of NB1, 8.1, while 4 cases of LF7 were found in May. The World Health Organization has categorized both variants as variants under monitoring, not as variants of concern. According to global health data, these strains are also causing local surges in China, Singapore, and Hong Kong. In response, the Union Health Ministry has reviewed the national situation and reiterated that most cases in India remain mild, with patients under home care. Surveillance is being carried out under the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program and ICMR's Virus Monitoring Network. Despite 7 deaths reported in the past week, the recovery rate remains high, with over 300 people discharged. Officials say there's currently no evidence that the new variants are more transmissible or severe. So far, the numbers remain manageable and the new variants don't appear more dangerous, but the rise in cases is a reminder that vigilance must not waver. The Health Ministry says it's watching the situation closely. For now, no new restrictions are in place, but experts continue to recommend mask use in public spaces and booster doses for vulnerable groups. Subhashish Kuvekar and Sanika Nagevkar for Goa 365.